this Friday at the
Rafandi ya, Rafandi selamat ya. Semoga kamu sukses.
Good morning, teachers and students. Let's start our learning activity.
Hi Jojo.
Hi, Zura.
Do you know what today's weekend?
Oh, yes, I do.
Then what is it?
Today is Dies Natalis.
Then mean?
Dies Natalis means birthday.
Oh wait. Do you mean today's our school SMPN 45th birthday?
Yes, it is.
Then what's special today?
Today we did Jalan Sehat and then we gather in the schoolyard.
We fortify that our school is the best school. Yeah.
Yeah,
What did you all do at the school and yard?
we did songs on tribune. The team called themselves Penemania. And then there's singing performance from Nara and Selim.
Wow, there's so many events.
Wait, there's more. After the performance, there was a symbolic celebration from Miss Rani using a gong. And there's still many more. We even do Sheriff Friday.
Wow. Do you know about Cherry Day?
Sure, we made some paper bags filled with snacks. Two bags. One for Ralph, one to share it for other people. I even heard that Oasis will share it to orphanage, homeless people, and the street to give some drivers.
Wow, pretty sure it was fun and tiring, wasn't it?
Sure do.
Waiting for time, will I be better off? Play a lovely melody or nothing at all. Seeking my pride when there was nothing to hide. Let me just
Morning, teachers and students. Before we go, let's finish our learning activities.